Hello guys, this is Neil, your Pinoy Plantito. And welcome to the Pinoy Plantito channel. It's a Saturday here in the Philippines, and you know what it means? It's makeover weekend. Yeah. So actually guys, I like doing makeover video as compared to doing a plant care video because, well, first, you don't get to talk a lot. You don't like think about what's the next thing to say. And but most importantly, after you shoot a makeover video, you didn't just have a new video out in YouTube, but you have something that was transformed in your garden that's gonna stay. So that's what I like basically about doing a makeover video. Oh, by the way guys, if it's your first time in this channel, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to my channel. We're all about tropical gardens, garden design, vertical gardens, plant traveling, plant care tips and techniques, and a lot of tutorials going on here. So I would really like you to make this your home channel, and also you may hit that notification bell so you'll be updated with all the videos coming up in this channel. Feel free to also like and share some of the videos that you find really interesting here. And today I'm going to teach you how to do a makeover of unflattering spots in your garden. And I have one unflattering spot in my garden. Let's take a look. Yeah. All right guys, so this is the last spot in my garden that I haven't done so much with, and this is a spot that I consider to be an eyesore in my garden because I have a lot of garden focal points. We have several vertical gardens that we did. I have the gate arch, I have the tropical corners, and I have the elevated deck sitting area corner. Actually guys, there are some reasons why a spot remains to be an unflattering spot in your garden, and maybe it's a hard to reach area in your garden, and also it could be because it doesn't facilitate a lot of growth for your plants. Like maybe it is exposed to the harshness of the sun, or it doesn't admit a lot of light to facilitate growth for plants. It is a low light area, and low light plants are not as numerous as those plants that require medium to bright and direct light. So the choices really for low light plants is not as much. Or it's because maybe you haven't thought of doing something to an area, or you have a plan for an area, that's why you don't want to disturb it and do something with it. You don't want to waste your time because it's going to be undone after that. So those are the reasons. And for this area guys, the reason why it remained to be the most unflattering area in my garden is because of the last two reasons. I just don't know what to do with it. I know that there will be like future plans for it, like maybe I'm gonna build a wall, or finally have a waterfall here. The water element of my garden will be constructed somewhere here, something like that. But it's not definite yet, so it remains to be like a spot that I'm not really sure what to do, but I'm sure that there is something that's gonna be done there at one point in time. So yeah, those are the reasons why that spot remained to be an unflattering spot. But here's what I thought why we're finally doing a makeover of the place. First, it doesn't take a lot of time to do a makeover. Especially for me, I do makeovers for 1 hour and it's just gonna be really fast, so I don't do something with it that's gonna make it more appealing and presentable and take it out from being an eyesore in the garden. So yeah, why not? So today I'm doing something with it. There's no definite plan. I'm just gonna put whatever plants I can find here. Anyway guys, I have a lot of plants here. Can you see? A lot of plants that I took from my old tropical corner, and we can make use of these plants there. So join me and together, let's make something beautiful out of this unflattering spot in my garden. Let's do this. Ow! So this is the spot, guys. It has this plant rack, wooden plant rack here on the side, and some crawling ivies on the bamboo fence, and something where I can hang plants probably. So yeah, let's work on this. I'm gonna remove this and maybe put some really nice potted plants here. Don't know what to do here. Maybe put some lush plants to cover this area. And under the table, of course, we're gonna fill it up with a lot of lush plants. Okay, so basically that's it, guys. That's the plan. And let's see what good's gonna come out with this. So I have already removed that wooden plant rock, and the next thing that we will focus on are the plants that we're gonna hang out there. So let's save the easiest and the best for last. We're first gonna do the hardest one up there. I'm gonna hang some plants. Pretty tiring, guys. It's really hard to work today because it's been raining every now and then, so I had to pause and resume my work. So it took me some time to finish, and it's already 5 o'clock before I finally get to finish this makeover. But I'm very happy with the result in just a few hours of work. And I'm so excited to show it to you guys. I honestly felt like I should have done this before because it really changed the ambience of the place. So I'm gonna say bye-bye now and leave you with a quick tour of the spot that we did a makeover together. And I hope that you will enjoy this, guys. This has been Neil, your Pinoy Plantito. and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.